Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of December the 29th to January the 4th. We have a lot of very good P&G deals because we have a new month and we're going to have new P&G coupons along with new store coupons. Now this came out on Christmas Day. Buy three, get $5 back in Walgreens cash on Pantene products. That's an in-store deal as well. And then if you look at the top left-hand corner, it says $3 of Walgreens cash. So the person who designed this, they deserve a raise. So confusing. Awesome. Just being sarcastic because they'll get on us about every little detail, but this flies. I don't understand. On the 26th, I was in Walgreens and I picked up a free print, and guess what? This guy printed, which is a 5 back when you spend 15. I would recommend to pay like 41 cents. Roll the dice if you want to try and get one of these. They have been printing for many of us, and as of yesterday, they were still printing, which is really great. I also made a video yesterday about a clearance schedule for all these stores. The stores around me. So CVS and Target are not included because I don't have those stores and I haven't shopped a Christmas clearance event with them in years. So just the stores around me, which are the most popular ones like on this channel. And specifically with Walgreens, these are all estimates I was giving you, but I was in store yesterday, so I was able to read the signs. And if you're able to really read the signs at some stores, you can figure out the clearance patterning. Now this one, it's 50% off. And then if you look at the bottom right-hand corner, the dates are from the 26th to the 31st, meaning on Wednesday, January the 1st, I believe we're going to either go 70 or 80% off. I think they really want a lot of this Christmas stuff, bundled up to go. Have they ever hit 90? In the past, they have, but it hasn't happened in years. But it is Walgreens, so you never know what might happen. So again, these predictions are on the 1st, which is next Wednesday. I think it's going to hit 70, and then in a couple of days, or maybe by the weekend or by the 8th, it's going to roll over to 80 for a couple days. And then after that, whatever doesn't sell, they're going to box it up and it's going to be sent somewhere for auction for people that buy seasonal shelf pulls from stores such as Walgreens. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday, the December the 29th. And again, as stated earlier, we have a lot of P&G deals because we have a new month and there'll be a whole bunch of new digital P&G coupons that many of us love. Do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up so it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much in advance. Get the biggest savings. We're going to dust off this guy into a couple of deals, so pick and choose wisely how you wish to use this booster. So the first deal we're looking at is at $5.49 for selected Cascade, Downy, Febreze, Gain, Tide, Bounty, Charmin. A $5 reward when you purchase 4. So grabbing like a mix of these products with high value coupons, adding up to at least 5, that'll be $21.96. Subtracting your $5 in digitals, have the cashier scan that paper booster. You're going to pay $16.96 with your debit card. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster and a $5 register reward, making it $6.96 for the 4 or $1.74 per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using the booster of spend 15 to get back 5. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at that's really fantastic is with the Colgate products that are $4, and we're going to have a 4 off 2 digital. Grabbing 2 of them, that'll be 8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, and now we're looking at this. I'm going to say to put pause on it because to spend $20 on this dental care to pay $2 for each product after everything's said and done when we get it for 50 cents or possibly free, unless something magical happens with this, I'm putting pause because I don't have the money to pay $2 per product. No, not for dental care. Okay, now we're doing another deal with this guy. So really pick and choose wisely how you wish to use the boosters, unless you're going to get a bunch of photos and you're getting a bunch. $9.99 for Gillette and Venus, and $3 digital coupons, $6 register reward when you buy 2. So I think you could see how we're going to stack this up, and that's a very good deal. So you're going to have to load both of those digital coupons starting first thing on Sunday, and grabbing one of each, a Venus and a Gillette. That'll be $19.98. and have your digital coupons there as well loaded, and then get the cashier to scan your booster. You're going to pay $13.98 with your debit card, get back a $6 register reward, and $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, making it $2.98 for the two, or $1.49 for a razor that's usually $12.99. That's so much better than a gift set right now. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash as you're using that booster with this deal. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is with the Pantene shampoo. We're going to need our best friend loaded. The cheaper Pantenes are going to be $5 each, so we're going to grab 3 of them. And I think that the $3 coupon will probably be a 3 off a 2, $5 reward when you buy 3. So grabbing 3 of those shampoos for $15, have your digital coupon loaded, get the cashier to scan that paper booster. With your debit card, you're going to pay $12 after your digital coupon melts off for you. You're going to get back a $5 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $2 for the 3, or 66 cents per Pantene. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using that booster of spend 15, get back 5, but 66 cents per Pantene if that's your thing. I love their conditioner. This is quite the deal. Okay, looking at another deal with our best friend, and this one's for Olay because we haven't had a lot of really great deals for Olay body wash. We're going to be looking at the $7 ones, and we're going to have a 5 off 3 digital, and the promotion is a $5 reward when you buy 3. Grabbing 3 of these, it's going to be $21, subtracting your digital coupon, and then scan that paper booster of a 5 back when you spend $15. You're going to pay $16 with your debit card, get back a $5 register reward, $5 in Walgreens cash, making it 6 for 3, or $2 per Olay. I will pay that for Olay. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now this is really interesting. $4.99 Dawn Power Wash Spray with a $2 digital, dropping this guy to $2.99. Use $3 in Walgreens cash, and you've just won the gold medal in couponing Olympics, because $2.99 for this product. We barely see digital coupons for this. So every app that you have, Dollar General, Walgreens, whatever, load that coupon because that's a gift. And then we have a $2.30 digital for this small spaces. It'll make this guy 99 cents if you're just picking this up on its own. And there's also a 4 back when you buy 4. So if there's other digital coupons that are high value that are part of this promotion, that's definitely something we're going to look at. So have this promotion 4 for $10, making each of these laundry care products $2.50 each. Bounce, Downy, Febreze, Gain, Tide Simply house products. Choose 4 selected mix and match household brands, and you'll pay that price. If you have Walgreens cash or register rewards that you want to burn through, by all means go for it. But this is definitely a stock up price for newer couponers that are trying to build a stockpile. Let's look at some quick honorable mentions. So the first one is this, to spend $20 on selected Aquaphor, Eucerin, Nivea skincare, get back $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. We're going to have to investigate that as the week marches on. We have $3.99 for the Oreo cookies. So if you are hosting for New Year's Eve or a New Year's Day party and you need to stock up on cookies, this isn't the worst deal. And then also in the food family, we have the 2 for $7 for the Doritos, not a bad price point. Pepsi is 3 for $13.99. I think Coke is buy 2, get 1 for free, but this is always a little bit cheaper, so you might want to stock up on your Pepsi products at Walgreens. And we also have the pizza 2 for $10. This is a very good deal. Back in my day when I used to eat this all the time, I used to love the Supreme one with onions and olives. Oh my gosh, that was really fantastic. And the last honorable mention is the K-Cups for $4.99. I would use Walgreens cash if you have a Keurig. And 2 for $10 for that Oscar Mayer bacon. How yummy is that? That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.